Seems solid. Good texture. All right. Measure twice, cut once. Secure that beam now. Nail it in. Perfect.
Perfection. Just like the blueprints.
All right, looking good. Done filling. Just need to coil this hose.
It's perfect. Every detail, exactly right. This is what we dreamed of.
Keep it straight! Go forward! Line it up, right there. Fasten it, now. Let's get this one down. Almost done. Check the connections. Finished. Keep running! Keep climbing. Faster, faster. Secure the ropes. Make sure they're tight.
Safe now.
Sleeping. He's sleeping.
Just needed to see the sunset together.
All right, measurement's done. This thing is solid. Grab the saw. All right, just a little more. All right, let's see how this fits. Almost done. Check out that finish. Perfect. Let's step outside. The resin is spreading perfectly. Looking good. Just right, matching the finish. Wow. This is perfect. Absolutely perfect. You know, there's bacon in here. Pipe set, sheet rolled, floor locked. Almost done with this side. Just a few more pieces to go. All right, let's finish this. Snap, 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 snap. Beautiful, done. The epoxy is flowing perfectly with that gloss. Just a few more passes. The space is now complete. Every detail perfect, every light in place. It feels like home. Okay, let's see. 12 feet to the fence. That's good. Now, over to the pallet. Taking out the leaf, take your inches to the bed, and go for... I think this... Okay, that's where the deck goes. Soil's a bit loose, need to reinforce this section. Time to get these marigolds in. Just need a little more soil here. And now for the first watering. It's already looking so much better. right, beams are in place. Now for the vertical supports. Upper beam secured, ready for the installation. Keep digging. Move back. To the right. Okay, dig lower. Perfect. Stop. Hold. Move right. Slow. Stop. Lower. Perfect. All clear. Grid forming. Now beams align. Structure becomes geometric. Perfect.
That's too much to understand. Sing it, Susie Sword. Done.
That's too much to understand. Sing it, Susie Sword.
Done.
Давайте скласти на воне, будете знати, бапі. Тоді наставимо самостійний каптан. Буде вам десь